Hi, I'm Chris Long with Go Fish Digital, and welcome to another episode of 60 Second SEO. Today we're going to talk about a way you can take your on-page optimizations to the next level and really analyze historical competitor changes. So here I'm on Tom's Guide and I can see their article for best phones of 2023, and what we can do is we can analyze what changes have they made in order to keep this page competitive over time. So here I went into the Wayback machine, I just plugged this URL in, and now I can start to take a look at how this page has changed throughout the years. So here, when I take a look at this URL, I can see it looks like they're changing the timestamp a bunch. There's an article from 2022, there's an article from 2021, they're changing the timestamp as well. It looks like they changed the image. It looks like they're kind of changing that with a lot of the updates. In the 2023 article, they have this feature that is included in this guide. When I go back to the 2021 version, they don't include that. As well here, it looks like they've added some content to the current version. When I go here, it looks like they have this, here are the top smartphones right now and their buying guides, and that is absent in these versions. This is a great way that you can really start to quickly analyze how are competitors changing their content throughout time, and really what types of content do they think is important? What elements are they changing and then not keeping, or then changing and then keeping in the current version? And really, when have these changes lined up with ranking improvements? This is a really great way if competitors are really heavily, aggressively updating their pages. You can really drill down and get granular and see, hey, what updates are they making? And does this inform my content or on-page optimization strategy?